Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power. That's the most common failure. First, turn off the Scooty and remove the key, then access the tracker wiring harness and battery. Use a multimeter to confirm the battery reads about 12.6 V and that the fuse and ignition feed show continuity. If a fuse is blown or voltage is missing, replace the fuse with the correct rating and retest. Once done, reconnect terminals tightly so you eliminate loose power as the root cause. Next, you trace the wiring from the tracker to the battery, ignition, and chassis ground. Poor grounds or pinched wires often break signals. Make sure connectors are clicked in and remove corrosion with contact cleaner. Tighten or replace terminal lugs as needed. Then inspect the GPS antenna. A cracked housing or loose SMA connector will kill reception, so reseat or replace the antenna and verify cable continuity. As you work, test signals stepwise so you know which action fixed the problem. Finally, verify the tracker's SIM and server settings. Confirm the SIM has active data, the correct APN, and adequate signal. This is why many devices appear dead when it's only a network issue. Then access the tracker diagnostics. Push a location request, check firmware version, and ensure server IP/port match your platform. Once corrected, perform a short road test to confirm live tracking, trip logs, SOS, and geofence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.